Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper bag storage bin. For the video, I'm using a regular size grocery bag. You fold that grocery bag in half and reinforce that fold really well. To create the bin, we're going to fold the top half of the bag in on itself. So to make this a little easier, I like to cut about 2 inches off the top, but you don't have to. If you do, set that cut aside because we'll be using it later. All right, so now you can go ahead and open the bag. You're going to want to find that center fold. And I just use my fingers to push that crease out and then start folding the top half inside the bag. And you can make these bins out of any size paper bag. I'll show you later in the video some of them that I've made and how I use them. So now you're going to want to grab your scissors and you'll see that there's a second fold line there. Go ahead and cut on all 4 corners up to that fold. All right, now you want to go ahead and fold those tabs out. And you'll want to do that on all 4 sides. And this doesn't need to be perfect. It's, kind of the beauty of this storage solution is that they're disposable. So go ahead and grab your glue and we're going to apply that to the tab. Go ahead and fold it in and adhere that to the inside wall. You're going to want to do that on all 4 sides. So back to the beauty of this disposable, stackable. Since they're a bag, you can fold them up when they're not in use, and you've got lots of sizes available to you for different purposes. So go ahead and grab that strip that you cut off, if you cut it off, and place it on the top of the outside of the bag. And this is going to further reinforce that top. Since I sew the bag, I'm only going to glue on the corners of the bag to keep that strip in place while I sew. But if you're not going to sew it, I would definitely reconsider stronger glue and definitely applying it thoroughly to that strip to make sure it stays on there. I think it would last quite a bit longer if you had that reinforcement secured. And suddenly we have the finished product. And somehow I didn't record how to install the tab. So I install it by putting the tab in between the reinforcement layer and the bag and just glue it or sew it in. So I use the larger bins, the grocery size bins to hold each of my individual journal projects. And then I have smaller sized bins that hold other things within the project. And here I'm showing you it's sturdy. It can handle quite a bit of weight. And the best part is that they're stackable. So they don't take up a huge footprint. And like I said, the grocery size bag for me is a project, and I have a tab on there that usually says what project it is. And then I use a smaller bag to basically hold maybe a work in progress piece of that project. Maybe it's a set of tabs, maybe it's pictures, maybe it's a signature, whatever I'm working on for that particular project. I have it all in one bag. And then I have a little lunch bag that basically holds any tiny scraps that would get lost. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys. Bye.